Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, myself, Dr. Shweta, I am going to discuss a very important thing, that is the presence of umbilical cord around the neck of the baby. Will it affect the health of the baby? So, if they are present, what is the reason for the presence of these umbilical cords around the neck of the baby? And if they are present, will it change the mode of delivery? That is, whether to deliver the baby normally or by C section, and how to diagnose the presence of umbilical cords. So, friends, come, let us go and discuss the topic. And before we're going to discuss this topic, I request you all to like, share, and subscribe my channel. At the same time, please don't forget to press the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever we post our new videos in the coming future. So, friends, what is this umbilical cord? So, as you can see, the umbilical cord is a connection in between the mother and the baby. So, coming to the structure of umbilical cord, if you see in detail, this umbilical cord has got two arteries and one vein, and there is a jelly like thing which covers the umbilical cord, which is called as this Wharton's jelly. And this Wharton's jelly is very important. It prevents the knotting of the umbilical cord when the umbilical cord and the baby moves. So, coming to the functions of umbilical cord, so this umbilical cord helps in the transport of nutrients and oxygen and carbon dioxide in between the mother and the baby. So there are two arteries and one vein, right? So these arteries will carry the bad blood, that is deoxygenated blood, the waste materials from the baby to the placenta for the clearance. At the same time, the vein, which is red in the color, will carry the pure oxygenated blood full of nutrients from the placenta towards the baby. And as you can see here, there are two arteries. This is the cross section of umbilical cord, the pathological view, the histopathological view. You could see two arteries and one vein which are surrounded by a jelly called as a Wharton's jelly. I have already told this Wharton's jelly prevents the knotting of the umbilical cord. So friends, what is the reason for the presence of umbilical cord around the neck of the baby? So this image, you see there are almost two loops of cord around the neck of the baby. So how common is the presence of loops of cord around neck of the baby? So friends, most of the times in the case of long loops, it causes a single loop of cord around the neck, and this is commonly seen around 20 through 34% of the babies at the time of delivery. Two loops of cord around the neck are seen in 2.5 to 5% of the babies, and more than two loops of cord around the neck is seen very rarely, less than 1%, that is 0.5%. So friends, almost one fourth of the babies are seen having umbilical cord loops around their neck. So, coming to the causes of having these umbilical cord loops around the neck, these are seen in long cords, and the reason for long cords, sometimes they are not known, and polyhydramnios, more amount of water present around the baby will cause the baby do lot of movements and create loops around the body as well as neck of the baby. At the same time, in the cases of multiple pregnancies, that is twin pregnancies or multiple gestations, there are more than one babies and the movements are more and the length of the cord might be more, and sometimes gestational diabetes which causes polyhydramnios, at the same time long cords, and it might cause loops of cord around the neck of the baby. Coming to the diagnosis, ultrasound is the diagnostic modality of diagnosing umbilical cord loop around the neck of the baby. This image, you can see a cord loop going around the neck of the baby. So this is a 3D ultrasound image showing this. And coming to this image also shows a baby having nose, eyes and lips, and the cord loop you could see coiling the neck of the baby. And you could see here we have applied a Doppler. So whenever we see the cord around the neck, usually we place a Doppler to see the number of loops of cord around the neck of the baby. Doppler ultrasound is accurate modality to see the number of cord loops around the neck of the baby, but we can't diagnose whether it is tight or loose accurately with the help of ultrasound. Can we deliver a baby normally? Yes. If the loop of cord is single and if it is not tight, it will not create any problem in delivering the baby vaginally. So by normal vaginal delivery, these babies can be delivered most of the times. But if the cord loop is tight, if there are two or more loops of cord around the neck, and if they are preventing the descent of the baby, then we might have to change our modality of delivery from normal delivery to C-section. But the monitoring of the delivery is very important, because if there are any decelerations, you could see here more than two loops. So whenever there are contractions, if we could see decelerations on this heart rate tracing or monitoring, it means that the umbilical cord is being compressed and blood flow towards the baby is reduced, which is causing hypoxia to the baby, which might affect the brain damage to the baby. So at the time we have to go and we have to deliver the baby by C-section immediately. Thank you friends for watching.